with that higher intensity lamp, and you just kind of have it shining more up to the peaks. The nice thing is this is already going to kind of be lit. So if you have it here shining fairly upright so that it just gets down to, so that it just kind of shines up into the peaks, that's the other way I would do it.
Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this video with some more great landscape lighting tips. To learn more about landscape lighting, go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca, or if you want to see what a real quality landscape light should look like, go and check out our Try It Before You Buy It offer, where you can get a premium quality fixture at a discounted rate with your very own battery pack, so you can go and test out how that light's going to look and feel what a real premium quality light should look like. So go and check us out at lightingdoctor.ca, or go watch more videos on YouTube just by searching for the Lighting Doctor.
Hey, John, yeah, thanks for updating the pictures there with the landscape. So the only thing I would do, and you can play with this, the nice thing is with the kind of the kit that I think we'd put together again, and if it still makes sense, I can put that back together for you. But with the uplights, one thing you may want to try, because just depending on how close these are, sometimes what I'll do is, a lot of times I'll just have them right against the house so it highlights this, but you can kind of serve a dual purpose sometimes, where maybe I'll bring the light a little bit in front of the plant, so it kind of highlights through it a bit, and then back against the house, because sometimes it creates some cool shadows and stuff. It really just depends how close these are. But the nice thing with that kit, like I said, it comes with our Instalight, which is basically this little battery pack. So you'd actually be able to go and just plug that light in with some AA batteries, and then you could go put it in front and see how it looks, and then you could place it behind and you could see how it looks, and you could kind of figure out which way you like better. And then the only other thing to answer your question is on the front here. Yeah, I don't think you necessarily have to do the flower pots. I think what you could do though is, even if you just try and get the light kind of on this corner a little bit with the hex baffle still, and you have it just with that higher intensity lamp, and you just kind of have it shining more up to the peaks. The nice thing is this is already going to kind of be lit. So if you have it here shining fairly upright so that it just gets down to, so that it just kind of shines up into the peaks, that's the other way I would do it. So instead of having it, right here shining up, which is ideal, I think still having it up here so that really you're just getting the peaks would be a nice feature. So yeah, I don't think much has changed. The only thing is when you get it, play around whether you like the light better in front or behind. It just kind of depends on your feel. And even if you do it from behind those plants, I still like that look, because then you're backlighting that and then you have the silhouettes of the plants. So they're both really cool looks. It's just kind of a preference thing, what you would like more. Yeah, let me know how else I can help, John.
Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. We're going to show you how to light up your landscape with the King Innovation Instalight. So this is a great tool that we use to go and demo different types of lights to find out what light is going to look best where. So all it is, it's a very simple battery operated pack that just takes 8 AA batteries, and then what you can do with it is you can actually go and plug in your light, whatever light it is, whether it be a path light, a wash light, a wall light, or an accent light. You can go and just plug that into your Instalight, and you can go walk around your property and test out all the different areas that you're thinking of lighting, and seeing which lights look best in which location and where you want to position those lights to get the best effect that you're looking for. It's a super easy tool that comes in all our do-it-yourself kits, as well as our Try It Before You Buy It offers, where you can go and now test out these lights, feel the quality, see how they're going to look before you go and make any big decisions on your landscape lighting project. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. We're going to show you guys how to light up your landscape with the FX Luminaire RS Uplight. This is a super durable, really high quality LED light that's great in your landscape if you need to, say you need to highlight some beautiful trees that you have on your property. If you have some nice stone architectural features around your home, this is a great light to use. You can change the intensity of the bulb just by using a different lamp. So if you have a small tree that's only maybe 10 to 15 feet high, you can use the standard 4-watt LED lamp in here. If you're using trees that are maybe 15 to 20 feet high, you can increase that to the 5-watt LED. Or if you've got some giant oak trees or some really big trees on your property where you need to push that light at 25 feet or higher, that's where you get into the 6-watt LED lamps to really push that light out and make those features really, really stand out. This light can be used in a lot of different applications. We use it a lot for perimeter lighting. So if you have trees or shrubs or different bushes and stuff around your property, and you just want to make your whole property look bigger, it's a great way to go and highlight those around the perimeter just to make that whole yard stand out.
We'll take a quick look at the cottage here. You know, nighttime pictures never quite do it justice. I think the only thing we're missing that I would add here is on the front porch, we're going to put a little downlight there to highlight it, but I think the light in the two sides of the windows was nice, create some symmetry. We're just missing a little bit of a dark spot in the middle there, and then as we kind of go around the side, we only use 6 lights on this guy, which is nice, but we just kind of highlight it again around the side here, just to give a little bit, and as it gets darker, you really be able to see the subtleties in the light. A little bit higher up is just tough to see right now, and then again by the entrance, we did the same thing over on this side, and I think everything turned out really nice. Very subtle lighting, but just enough to make it pop so that you can kind of see it from a distance. And then we'll show you the driveway here again as we get a little bit better light as it gets a little bit darker here. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys got some great do-it-yourself landscape lighting tips. Now please be sure to go to our website at lightingdoctor.ca and check out our how-to page. It's full of great resources, from our podcast to our video to our most frequently asked questions. And also check out our try it before you buy it light, where you can actually go now and get one of our premium quality uplights and a King Innovation Instalight, which is basically a battery pack now that allows you to go and run those lights and test them out on your property. Try it for 14 days. If you don't love it, send it back to us and we'll give you a full refund. And if not, you keep the light at a discounted rate and go and buy what you need for your project. So thanks again for watching. Please be sure to leave us a comment. We love your feedback. Have a great day.